Hi, so I wanted to talk to you about asbestos management surveys. Now, probably the first question on everybody's mind is, what is a management survey?
Yeah, so an asbestos management survey is usually referred to as the standard sampling survey. Now, this survey would inspect all areas of your property that needs to be inspected. It's a non-intrusive and non-destructive sampling survey, and it will inspect all areas of your property where you'd expect a normal maintenance person to go. For instance, that would be above suspended ceilings, maybe lifting up carpets. And it would also inspect within riser cupboards that we could get into without actually damaging those elements of the building.
Like Neil said, it is a sampling survey, so we do take small samples to kind of identify and prove and disprove whether a material itself actually contains asbestos or not. Now, we wanted to run through some key points with you. So one of the first ones is the Health and Safety Executive, the HSE. They strongly recommend the use of UKAS accredited surveyors, don't they?
Yeah.
Now, us here at Acorn, we are UKAS accredited, and what the UKAS accreditation can give to you, it gives you a level of reassurance of essentially the company knows what they're doing. It's kind of a benchmark. It confirms that we've got everything in place that we should have: insurances, policies, procedures, that type of thing.
Yeah. Now, we're not only UKAS accredited for inspections, so the actual surveying element of undertaking your asbestos survey, but we're also accredited to do the testing. So any samples that we collect will be taken back to one of our UKAS accredited labs, where we'll analyse those samples, and we can give you the best sort of advice on what you need to do with your asbestos.
Now, the beauty of that that we have over a lot of other companies is a lot of companies either aren't UKAS accredited full stop, or they're only accredited for the surveying element.
Yep.
Now, us being accredited for both allows us to give you fixed price quotations. So that's something to be wary of. Other companies out there might only give you a quotation that includes up to, say, 5 samples, or they might not even include samples, and every sample they collect is an additional cost. Now, the way that we run here at Acorn is whatever we quote you for the survey includes all of the actual samples we're going to collect.
Yeah. And also included with our asbestos surveys is we'll give you a free and partial asbestos remediation quotation. So basically we've got no links to any other asbestos contractor. That gives us a unique position within the industry that we can give you the best impartial and independent advice possible.
Definitely. Another thing that we also give to our clients is a free online asbestos database.
Yeah.
So the online portal you can access after we've completed the works for you. It holds all of your information, and essentially that becomes a real big part of your asbestos management tool.
Yeah. So probably one of the biggest questions that you probably wanting to know is, how long will it take you to get your asbestos survey report?
So we do asbestos management surveys usually within 5 working days.
Yep, so that's from completing your survey on site to when you actually get your physical report.
So if you've got any other questions around asbestos management surveys, by all means contact us here at Acorn, or if you'd like a quotation, again, just let us know and we'll be glad to help out. Thanks.